Hello and welcome to Tech Helpline. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can enable push notifications in Onlyfans. Go to the Chrome or Edge browser and go to onlyfans.com. Now go to More and then go to Settings, which you see beneath the collection. Now you should go in the notifications and you can see push notifications. Click on it, and if you turn it on and click allow, the notifications will be enabled. Now you can go ahead and select or deselect these messages or these notifications which you will get, as your subscribers or your followers will give you the post. So let me show it to you once again. Go to onlyfans.com and then click on More. Now go to Settings and then click on Notifications. Go to Push Notifications and turn it on. You can select or deselect these and then you will get notifications. So this was a video on how you can enable push notifications on Onlyfans. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure to enjoy.